Well, alright guys! Today I need to talk about something very cool that Eli the computer guy said in one of his videos. He said, kids, boys and girls, do not prepare for the, future by doing things and going to schools that prepare you for the jobs that exist today. Do that in reverse, basically. Go to school for the jobs that will exist in the future. So do not go to school to learn how to do jobs like flying drones, because that is not going to be the future. The future, while everybody's looking at the Epstein files, is government working on ways to classify the sky completely so that we can no longer fly our drones anymore. In fact, they have new regulations that they're working on right now, today, designed to destroy whatever is left of our rights of how to fly in the sky. In fact, they will have the right to shut down your drone, which they can usually only under special circumstances, like when we had the Super Scooper issue where there was a large drone, possibly around 300 or more grams, that hit the Super Scooper and destroyed it, and the government pretended it was a DJI Mini, which is only 250 grams, that caused the damage, which is absolutely not true. You can even ask, yes, Chatbot, GPT, Grok, any of those will tell you that a drone of 250 grams cannot do that to a Super Scooper, but they lie, because they always lie. And so while you're looking at the Epstein files, they're working hard at the Zoomitol to take away more of your rights to fly. So that's why I created this product, which is about drifting cars. And so this could be the job of the future, drifting cars indoors, right? That's the idea, right? I created a product that will not be messed with by our government for a long, long time, because hopefully we will still have our rights within our own vehicle, within, hopefully, our houses. But that may go away too, because nobody shouted when drone pilots were losing their rights, when the sky was getting classified like today. And I was screaming about remote ID, and nobody cared about it. But you know what that does? Nobody cares about fake news, but people do care about the real reporters. And reporters now have one less tool to spy on the bad people like Epstein. So just think about that. They are classifying our skies. They are stopping you from being able to operate your drone remotely. So you will have to basically tell people that you're flying your drone, get approval from the government before you can even fly your drone. That is what they're trying to do. And many, many more things that they're trying to do to stop you from being able to pilot any drones. You can no longer make money off of drones without a specific license called a Part 107. Whilst before, there was a time when you could make money anytime you wanted. You didn't even have to be an adult to make money off of your drone. You could just, if you could film something cool and somebody was willing to pay for it, you could make money on that. You can't do that anymore, because that's what the government does. And I will tell you, there is so much interesting footage of the Epstein files coming from drones. As a matter of fact, I believe strongly that what they are trying to do is not make you focus on the drone footage that is very vital to the Epstein case, and believe that it's only about the videotapes recorded inside his house. But no, it goes much more deeper than that. And if we allow the government to classify our skies, reporters, the real reporters, not the fake news reporters that are bought and paid for by special interests, will not be able to operate and bring us the reporting that we want, because there's a certain importance about anonymity. And without that, the people who really care about making the world a better place are not going to be able to operate, because just like in the awful regimes where